Intro. Quick shots of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Host, hey tech enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a snappy look at the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let's dive right in. Shot of the S23 Ultra's camera module. Host. Imagine a camera that crafts masterpieces. The S23 Ultra system delivers stunning, low-light shots and mind-bending zoom capabilities. Shot of the S23 Ultra's display. Host. Feast your eyes on the AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate display. It's like silk under your fingertips. Shot of the S23 Ultra's performance. Host. Need power. The S23 Ultra's got it. With a blazing processor and ample RAM, tasks are a breeze. Shot of the S Pen. Host. Precision and innovation unite with S Pen support. Notes, sketches, creativity, all at your fingertip. Shot of the S23 Ultra's battery. Host. Battery anxiety. Nope. The S23 Ultra's battery keeps you going strong. Shot of the various color options. Host. And it comes in various colors, so your style shines through. Cut to Host. Host. That's the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Excited? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech nuggets. Catch you next time. Also, subscribe our YouTube channel for more awesome. Also share with your friends.